Welcome to this lesson on overriding methods in Kotlin. Today, you'll learn how to override parent class methods in subclasses using the override keyword. This is a fundamental concept in object-oriented programming that allows you to customize inherited behavior. Method overriding is a feature that allows a subclass to provide its own implementation of a method that is already defined in its parent class. When you override a method, the subclass version replaces the parent class version for objects of that subclass. This gives you the flexibility to specialize behavior while maintaining the same method signature. Let's start with a simple parent class. Here we have an animal class marked with the open keyword. Inside, there's a method called makeSound, also marked as open. This method prints a generic sound message. Notice that both the class and the method must be open, otherwise they cannot be overridden by subclasses. Before you can override a method, there are two critical requirements. First, the parent class must be marked with the open keyword. Second, any method you want to override must also be marked as open. In Kotlin, classes and methods are final by default, meaning they cannot be inherited or overridden unless explicitly marked as open. Now let's create a dog class that inherits from animal. To override the makeSound method, we use the override keyword before the fun keyword. Inside this overridden method, we provide a dog-specific implementation that prints woof woof. The override keyword tells Kotlin that we're intentionally replacing the parent class method. Here's another example with a cat class. Just like the dog class, it inherits from animal and overrides the makeSound method. This time, the implementation prints meow. Each subclass can have its own unique implementation of the same method, which is the power of method overriding. Let's see how this works in practice. In the main function, we create instances of dog and cat. When we call the makeSound method on the dog object, it prints woof woof. When we call the same method on the cat object, it prints meow. Each object uses its own overridden version of the method, not the parent class version. Let's review the key points. First, remember that both the parent class and its methods must be marked as open to allow overriding. Second, use the override keyword in your subclass methods to replace parent class implementations. Third, each subclass can provide its own unique implementation, allowing you to customize behavior while maintaining a consistent interface. This is essential for building flexible and maintainable object-oriented code.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.